Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to the channel. My name's Donnie. We are fishing the Napanee River, and we're going to hit 3 spots. Hopefully we get a fish. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so we are at the Napanee River. We're going to try a few spots along here. I hear the northern pike are biting. So I got a river to sea whopper plopper tied on, and we're gonna see if they're hitting on the top water. I know it's been a while before since I had a video out, but let's see if we can't change that. Like, I have been fishing, I have caught some fish in the past few days, but I haven't been recording. So let's see if we can't catch something here today. Not probably going to get anything right there. It's too much seaweed. Well, if I was tossing like a weedless frog or something, I might have a better chance. But since we're doing a prop bait, we're going to cast it this way. And it looks like there's less weedage. So the water is down a lot up here. Still pretty weedy by shore. I'm trying to figure out if I get a fish, how am I getting it up? There's people by my normal spot here. There's a big old bullfrog down there. Alright, so we have switched spots. And we are going to throw a crankbait first. And then we'll try the whopper plopper, the top water, and see what's going on. If anything's biting. Which I hope there is. I need content. But you never can tell. Well, there's still bluegills up on beds. We don't want bluegill. We want salmon and pike that are supposedly biting in this river right now. Largemouth opens tomorrow. I'm supposed to go out fishing with my dad tomorrow for Father's Day. We'll see how that goes. It's an amazing difference from the calmness of the water up here compared to down below the falls. You wouldn't even know there's falls just, you know, half a kilometer away. I don't know if there's anything underneath that tree limb. You know, I haven't really had much luck fishing up this end of the river. I don't know why I keep coming back, maybe because it's close. I miss being 15 minutes away from a nice bass lake. But in these times, sometimes it's hard. I see stuff eating on the surface, so I'm gonna throw that whopper plopper. It's just a 100 series, so it's a smaller. It's a 90. I think it might be a 90. It's not big anyway. It's the small one. Throwing it on what is this, a 6'6"? I think it's a 6'6". It's a Quantum. Quantum on with a Quantum RS reel. I'm just gonna crank this real slow. Try and entice him. Maybe pause a little bit. Fishing is a game of chance, right? You take a chance of every line you throw in the water, if you're gonna get a bite or not. Like, we did just have quite the rain today, so I figured they might be biting. Could be opposite right now. They might not be biting at all. Or we can pull out a smallie. There we go. That's always nice, right? Pull out a fish. Not bad. Nice little smallmouth. Get her right back in there. Alright, there we go. One fish on the whopper plopper. Let's try that again. Good thing I was recording, because I usually have my phone on me. Glasses are fogging up too. I should have filmed my sister. She's like a walking zombie right now. She's been up for like 27 hours, 26, 27 hours. That would make for funny YouTube. Hey guys, so that's going to do it for us. We got one fish today. We ended here at King Street Park along the Napanee River on the upper end above the falls. One smallmouth, maybe a pound, maybe just shy of a pound. Largemouth season opens tomorrow. You see this, it'd be like a Tuesday, maybe, I don't know. But yeah, like, subscribe, comment on the video if you want to check out any of the baits that I used. And I'll catch you next time on Bradshaw's Outdoors. Keep fishing. It's good for you.